Hi, this is Stephanie from Design and Sign Company. Just wanted to show you how to use this new template that I have. Go to your image that you have ready to put in, and you want to go to Select, and then All, Edit, Copy. Go over here to your template and click on the layer that says Place Image Here. And then all you have to do is go Edit, Paste, or Command V. And then you want to transform that, make it a little bit bigger. So you go to Command T, and you want to hold Option in the newest version of Adobe Photoshop. You want to hold Option and pull out on any of these anchor points here, and that will maintain the ratio. So you want to just put it in there where you want it. And I want to change the color now of the stars and the background elements. And I want to change that to orange. So I'm just going to click on somewhere in her shirt to get started, and then I can just adjust it from here. I want to go just a little bit more orange. That looks fine right there. And then I want to change the text. So I want to click on that with the Move tool selected. Shortcut is just V on your keyboard. And then select the text that you want to change, and then go to your text tool and just click and drag across the whole thing. And I'm going to change it to Trojan cheer. And then I'm going to go down here to this name, and I want to change it as well. So I'm just going to, in the text tool as well, I'm going to click and drag over that, and I'm going to name her Macy. And you can change the last name the same way, or you can change the year if you needed to go to 2022. You could do that as well. Now I want to go in and change the colors of the text. So I want to go back to my Move tool to select that, and you can see over here it jumps to the right layer in my layer palette. And I want to double click right over here, right there, and go to Outer Glow, and you can see where it's pink now. You would just want to double click it and then click on this orange or anywhere in the image that you, whatever color, or select whatever color you want it to be. And do the same thing with my Move tool selected. Click on the layer, it jumps over there in the layers palette, and then you want to go to Outer Glow, double click on the layer again, click on that orange, or you can copy and paste your number in here if you have that from the others too. Let me know if you have questions with that. Then just click OK. And also on this template, if you decide that you don't want this, the stars, or you don't want the dots, or you don't want, oops, sorry, it's going crazy over here. If you don't want the starburst over here, which I'm calling that for the coming up from the left, you can shut that off. Or if you'd rather have that and no stars, you can do that. Or if you'd rather have none of it, you can do that too. You can get rid of the dots as well if you want. There's really about anything you can do. Pretty simple template. So then you just want to flatten your image and save it, and you're ready to print. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.